Feminine color secrets. How to use color psychology to enhance your feminine presence. Before you say a single word, the colors you wear are already introducing you to the world. They're whispering secrets about your energy, your mood, and your essence. What if I told you that choosing the right colors could make you instantly softer, more radiant, or utterly magnetic, all without trying too hard? Welcome back to For Every Woman XO, where we embrace beauty, softness, and intentional living to create the life you desire. To see more content like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with a woman you love. Today, let's unlock the magic of color psychology to enhance your feminine presence, so you can show up as the most confident, alluring, and authentic version of yourself. Color isn't just an aesthetic choice. It's an energetic language. Every color carries its own vibration and message. It affects how you feel inside, and how others feel when they see you. Think of colors as an unspoken love letter from you to the world. Choosing the right colors allows you to embody different sides of your feminine energy: warmth, softness, strength, or mystery. And the best part? You don't have to say a word. Feminine colors and their meanings. Let's explore some of the most feminine colors and what they truly represent. 1. Pink. Pink is the ultimate feminine color. It speaks of softness, romance, and tenderness. A blush or rose pink feels inviting and gentle, making people feel safe around you. 2. White or ivory. White symbolizes purity, elegance, and a sense of fresh beginnings. It makes you look clean, bright, and almost angelic. A beautiful way to radiate calm and openness. Red. Red is all about passion, confidence, and sensuality. It draws attention immediately and makes a bold statement. But remember, too much red can feel overwhelming or intimidating, so use it intentionally. 4. Pastels. Lavender, baby blue, mint. These colors convey innocence, sweetness, and a soft, youthful glow. They make you appear more approachable and tender-hearted. 5. Nude beige tones. These tones exude understated elegance, quiet luxury, and warmth. Perfect for when you want to look refined, but not loud. 6. Black. Black is powerful, sophisticated, and mysterious. When paired with soft textures or delicate accessories, it can still feel feminine and elegant rather than harsh. Colors for different moods and intentions. Every day, you can choose colors to express your intention and guide your energy. Want to feel softer and more inviting? Choose blush pink, cream, or peach. Craving elegance and refinement? Go for ivory, soft metallics, or muted nudes. Need to feel bold and magnetic? Bring in red accents or deep jewel tones. Want to nurture a calm, serene energy? Opt for pastels and soft blues. Think of it as emotional dressing. Your colors help you manifest how you want to feel and how you want to be seen. Blending colors without losing femininity. One of the biggest secrets to maintaining a feminine vibe is how you blend your colors. Strong, bold colors can easily overpower you if not balanced. Soften bold shades with neutral or pastel pieces. Combine pinks with beige or white for a gentle, airy look. Add delicate accessories or flowing fabrics to offset intense colors like red or black. It's not just what color you wear. It's how you layer and soften it that creates that beautiful feminine harmony. Creating your signature feminine palette. Your feminine palette should feel like a natural extension of your essence. Find colors that complement your skin tone, hair, and even your personality. Consider doing a personal color analysis or color draping. This is a huge trend right now for a reason. Once you know your core palette, dressing becomes effortless and deeply aligned. Imagine having your own color blueprint that makes you glow every time you get dressed. That's true feminine magic. Using color in your makeup and accessories. We often focus on clothes, but your makeup and accessories are equally powerful. Lipstick. Rosy pinks equals youth and freshness. Reds equals bold femininity. Nudes equals soft intimacy. Nails. Light pink or beige equals elegant and delicate. Bright colors equals playful and lively. Earrings, scarves, bags. A small pop of color can completely transform your vibe without changing your whole outfit. Emotional connection to colors. The most important part. How each color makes you feel. Because that inner emotion radiates more powerfully than any trend. When you feel confident in a color, it becomes a magnet. When you feel soft and romantic, that softness becomes your aura. Your energy is your greatest accessory. And your colors are the language that help you tell your story without even speaking. So, what color are you stepping into this week? Let me know in the comments. I would love to see your feminine palette and what it means to you. Remember, you don't have to force your femininity. It already lives inside you. Your colors simply help you share it with the world. See you in the next video. You are for every woman XO.